This is a little mini fogger. So all you do is take this and I can't see. That's it. You just put the little thing together. Then you take it and you put it in some water. Oops, sorry. So now I have put that in there like that. And then, hey, somebody stole my energy strip. That's what happens when you have kids. They're like, hey, I need a strip. So you just plug it in. And now it starts. As you can see, right away, it is starting to fog. I had my TV on here so that I could now let me find my I'm just trying to cover my so it changes colors and it's really giving off quite a bit of fog. I wish I could cover that just right. Hold on. My dog's nervous, doesn't like it. But you can see it's really fogging. So it's only like 4 inches high, 3-4 inches high. But you know, like if you had a pond outside, you could put that in there. Or I've seen these at a Chinese restaurant where they had like an indoor, I don't know, it was like a fish tank. There was fish in it, there was turtles. And they had one of these in there. And now, this little thing here is to help you don't want the water, any water droplets, to run down. So this is supposed to stop the water, if any drop, this is supposed to stop any water droplets from going down the cord. Now, another thing I noticed with this is that even though this has been here just this little tiny bit, my table is soaked. So wherever you put this, be prepared that there's going to be some splatter. Now this little thing here is to stop the splatter, but it's still splattering out sideways. So, I mean, this is wet. All this here. See all the water, but you could really see the fog. So, I mean, it's awesome. You just have to know where you're putting it, because it's going to splatter. And I'm actually feeling it all the way over on my leg, and it's also, yeah. So wherever you put it, you want to make sure that you can see here that it's really splattering here. I don't know if we can move it more towards the middle. You're really not supposed to move it around once it's plugged in, because water and electricity can be a little bit dangerous. Now, if I shut my fan off, the smoke would probably, the fog would build up more. But that's really cool. My finger over the... Here we go. So that's pretty bright for that little tiny unit. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that it splatters so much. Besides that, it's awesome. So if you used it outdoors, you really wouldn't have to worry about the splatter. But if you set up something inside, you're going to have to make sure that this is far enough away from any edges that it's going to hold the water in, because it is definitely wetting my table here a lot. So yeah, I'll put a link down below because this has a lot of potential. It's pretty cool. So this is without any lights on over here that you're seeing this. That's nice. I'm going to pause it and then I'm going to turn my fan off so you can... So I turned my fan off, and let me just find that. It is so hard for me to... There we go. Looks better. So you can see when my fan is not on, it really starts to build up. With my fan on, it was blowing it out. You see here that it's really starting to... Yeah, see, without the fan on, it really, really builds up. See? Ooh. That is cool. It doesn't take any time at all for it to start building up again. But I am definitely getting wet. You can see that the table has got water all over it, and you can see it flying out here. That's pretty cool. It really does build up, and I could see that with multiple units, this would be like awesome for a pond outside. It's nice. Trying to whirl them up a little. So cool. That's pretty sweet. Alright, I'll put a link down below for this. But just remember that it does splatter, so outside is better, or a wider unit and it in the middle so that it's not going to be right over the edges, you know. This, I'm just doing this as a example so you can see. Definitely wouldn't want it just in this little bowl because it's, you know, it's so cool. I'm going to blow on it. See that? It really builds up fast. Yep. Thanks for watching.